Our journey begins in ancient China, where the very first noodles were crafted from millet over 4,000 years ago. By the 5th century, Arabic traders in Sicily perfected itriyya, dried dough designed to survive long voyages across the desert and sea. In the Middle Ages, pasta swept across Italy. Busy markets overflowed with fresh maccheroni, becoming a favorite meal for all. The real revolution occurred in 19th century Naples, where pasta met its ideal deal partner, the tomato. The industrial age transformed production, with massive factories creating millions of pounds of our favorite shapes. Buon appetito! Even my best friend knows a masterpiece when he smells one.